Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name's Dean Ashton, and today we're on board the brand new Scout 188 Sportfish. It's a new model for Scout for 2026. Done some really great features. I'll walk through it now and show you what they've done. You'll see in the photos the boat has the crystal blue hull sides. For power, we've done the upgraded 115 horsepower Yamaha 4-stroke. You have two nice big swim platforms with integrated ladder on the port side. Two jump seats at the transom. On the port side jump seat, you do have a live well under there. At the helm, you have a 4-position backrest, so you can use that as forward-facing for a leaning post, aft-facing seat, or forward-facing seat. You do have the designated cooler storage underneath. This has the bimini top option. At the helm, we've got the stainless steel wheel with speed knob that does tilt. It's outfitted with the trim tabs, shifter, dual battery switch, lockable glove box, Fusion Bluetooth stereo. This boat is outfitted with the Garmin 943XS GPS fish finder. You do have some storage underneath the console. One of the really nice features you'll see is this forward-facing lounger that they've put up here in the bow of the boat. You've seen a lot of that in the newer Scout models, and this followed right along with that. That's not wasted space. You do have storage under here as well as your designated anchor light. Seat cushion in the bow with some additional storage. Gas strut assisted, all finished fiberglass. And you have a designated anchor locker in the bow as well. That's a real quick look at the brand new Scout 188 Sportfish. If you'd like some more information, give us a call at 910-256-8100.